Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to show you what are the pre-installed applications and the bloatware in the iQOO 9 device. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is an iQOO 9 smartphone. So just a couple of hours back, I did do the unboxing of this device, and let me show you exactly what are the pre-installed applications by default you do get out of the box unboxing. So right now, as you can see, these are the apps which are present here. Sort of that, the Create application is there, and Facebook we do get, Google Pay is there, and Josh and Netflix. And apart from that, share chart is present here, and definitely you can actually uninstall them as well in case if you don't want. So these are the few applications which got built in, as you can see, friends, by default in the iQOO 9 device. This is an iQOO 9 smartphone which I'm trying to review at this moment exactly. So please make sure to comment below, friends, what other videos you want me to upload on this particular topic. So overall, these are the few applications which are just letting you know regarding the default bloatware present in the iQOO 9 smartphone. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, until instead of more updates, and bye.